Top tip for you today. Did you know that you can add clickable links into Canva designs? Perfect for adding into your PDFs and workbooks. Doesn't work with PNGs and JPEGs because they are images and you can't click on them. But a PDF download of an ebook or a workbook that you're creating for your business, you can add in clickable links to them. So I've created just a basic design here. It's just a basic square. It's got an image in the background and I've added some text in here. And this is the link that I want to make clickable. So I've just, as you can see, I've just written my email address, my web address. I'll delete that for you, www.anchoronline.co.uk. So I've typed it in and I want to make that section into a clickable link. So if you click on it, you'll then have your lovely top bar appear. And here, the little double circles that link together is the link creator. You click on that and you then enter in your email address or your web address that you want to link to. There we go. And then hit apply. And it has now made that a lovely little clickable link. To have a look at it, let's download it. We don't want to download it as a PNG. This is just a Facebook size design, so it's suggesting I download it as a PNG, but as we want the clickable link to work, you don't want to download it as a PNG or a JPEG. I would go for the PDF print high quality document and then download. Very quickly it has downloaded my design for me. Just wait for it to appear. If we open it up, here's my design. And if we hover over this, you can see the little hand appears, which means it's a clickable link. And when I click on it, hey presto, it goes through to my website. So you can create clickable links in PDFs on Canva. Absolutely fantastic. So that's it for today really, guys. Let me know what you thought. I just wanted to let you know that you can do this yourself in Canva very easily. So goodbye for now and I'll see you in the next video.